Today I'm down at the North Notts Ploughing Match. And we've got John Crowther, who has just competed for England in the European ploughing matches, and he won the overall championship. So well done to John. Some lovely old classics here. There's another Fortune there, and a gorgeous restored Massey 35. And they're just getting going on the match at the moment, so they've done a couple of runs and they're just doing all the adjustments. And it's nice that these ploughing matches still exist to keep the tradition alive. I'm just going to wind it up and lift her out. There's a 135, the reversible. Quite a few of the classic grey Fergies in this section. They've got an international. We've got Paul, who's Paul Gregory, photographer. Here we've got McCormick 434, and he's just making the adjustments at the moment, setting it up how he wants it to be for depth and turnover. Now we're down to some of the newer bits of kit. We've got a demo here from Ripon Farm Services, a 310 John Deere 7R with the Coon plough on the back. We've got a Puma 175, that's got the Cavernium plough on. We've got more Farm Services over here with their Fast Track, their 4220. Here we've got a Massey, the S6715, and that has got a 4-furrow Cavernium plough on the back. And we'll watch him drop in. Down he goes. Right. Lovely conditions for it. Well draining land, and we've had a little bit of rain as well. And here's my mate John. And he's very well looked after fence 724 Vario, and he's got the Lemkin 5-furrow plough on the back. We've got Mick Goddard with his 6130R. And here we've got the 4220 Fast Track with the Amazon plough on the back. Now this Fast Track's got some black rims on. It's from More Farm Services. She looks absolutely wicked with the dark rims, tinted windows. It's a Kayron 200 plough on the back. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.